Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you through signing up to Trustwallet or creating a new account. To begin, make sure you've installed the Trustwallet app from the Google Play Store or the App Store on your mobile phone. And once installed, open up Trustwallet. Upon opening the app, click on Get Started to begin creating your account. Choose the option to create a new wallet. You can select Swift or secret phrase. I recommend using the secret phrase for added security. Next, click on Create and back up your secret phrase. Remember, this phrase is crucial for account recovery, so keep it private and secure. Avoid saving it digitally or sharing it. After backing up your secret phrase, next set up a passkey or passcode for your account. Enter your chosen passkey and enable BioMetric for easy access or easy logging in. Once done, your Trust Wallet is set up. You can add new wallets by clicking on the main wallet icon and selecting Create New Wallet or Add Existing. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.